Hello, what it is audience. Today's video is going to be about a piece of open source memetics I am giving you for free. You can now grow a TikTok account in any genre overnight with the help of this trusty viral meme format. Now, to start things off, I'm actually going to show you a screen recording of how to make this meme format. Then I'm going to talk a bit about a case study of how we've done this and some wider spanning ideas about the significance of meme formats like this and their use cases. Without further ado, let's hop right in. All right, we're going to open up TikTok. We're going to go over to the For You page. We are going to find a dope video and save the sound on it. Next, we're going to go to the camera, open it up so you can see me. Flip that around real quick. Into the effects. Now we are looking for a specific green screen effect. I'm going to stumble around here a little bit, look in the green screen section, then go back to trending, see if I can find it there. Back to green screen. We're looking for it. It's called 3D green screen. Now this is integral to the format. You're going to want to click that plus sign and open up your camera roll, look through all your dope memes, find the coolest one right there. Now you're going to resize it so it's about, you get a little bit of space on the sides, but it's center, square. You're going to go over to the sound. Now you're going to add the sound you saved. A good trending sound is optimal for this. Now you're going to film the video. Pretty simple, straightforward. Wait a little bit. 7 seconds is generally your optimal length. Hit next. Add some hashtags targeting the genre you're in. Obviously, the meme should match the content genre you're trying to hit. And we're going to hit post. Now, the specific instance of this we're going to talk about, I'm going to show in 1 second here, but this format, if done 3 times a day for a month, you will grow an account within a genre. As you can see, it's very straightforward. The background visual can be far more compelling, which is something I recommend. The sound should match, should be something trending, should be within the zeitgeist. But over to the example we're actually going to be talking about, at vertexshader is an account within the programming computer science niche that utilize this format. We actually have the IRL vertexshader we're about to talk to. But as you can see, countless instances of this format being used. Generally, he is coding in the background. That is what we had decided would be an interesting, compelling visual. Same exact format we just went over, and he's almost got 2,000 followers. All right, we actually have vertexshader here. How are you, sir?
Hey, I'm doing well.
All right, I have to ask, why did we do this?
So, I'm a coder, and coders exist on a platform called GitHub. GitHub is basically Google Docs for coders. We use it to share and collaborate and find pieces of code. And I'm working on really, really new VR stuff, and I want to share it, and I want to build a following on GitHub, and I want to connect with a lot of people on GitHub. So the intent here was, is it possible to find those types of people on TikTok?
How did we do? Did you see conversions? Did you find people, like-minded people within your genre on TikTok?
So the interesting thing about memes is that coders have a lot of opinions about things, and code is actually quite political. So by choosing the memes that the types of people I would want to connect with would want to see and put that on TikTok, I was able to connect with that community. I learned a lot. I connected with a lot of other coding influencers on TikTok.
How did the actual conversion rate, like the sales of your GitHub account, did you get followers directly from TikTok?
No, I don't think I got any direct followers from TikTok. A lot of memes went really, really viral, but I don't think anyone actually converted.
All right, that's a good plug. Everyone go follow. I'll put the GitHub up on screen. All you coders, go follow that fucking GitHub right now. The idea of the lack of conversions there is super important though, because this meme format is not something that actually is great at converting, sales or maybe more qualified events, because the nature of the content is it's relatively easy to make. It's a really good way to grow an account rapidly. And as vertexshader shared, you can get in front of people within a genre, start to build connections. You can also prime an audience so it's more receptive to more niche, high effort content in the future, which maybe is a part 2 of this video. But the final idea outside of use cases I want to impart is actually sort of the origins of this format. I don't lay claim to it, but I definitely would say I'm a popularizer, I don't know if I'm saying the right word, of it. I have made hundreds of accounts like this that have gone all the way up to like 100K followers. And the root of the idea was actually 2 years ago when TikTok was first coming to popularity and people were reposting TikTok content on every single platform. Think of the time before Reels and all of the other social media platforms having their own video first aspects. And back when Instagram, although there was video, was predominantly known as a photo-based platform. In this era, I thought, everyone's taking TikTok content and putting it on other platforms. Wouldn't it be novel to take popular content on other platforms and put it onto TikTok over video content? So basically find a way to make static images popular on TikTok, which, if you don't know, has one of the most forgiving and fast-growing algorithms of any of the platforms. It's the easiest way to get quick followers. The major use cases of this format are really growing accounts past 1,000 followers very rapidly, so you can unlock the link in bio function, which is limited to accounts above 1,000 followers. Additionally, there are markets where people will buy things like this. They will buy new accounts or older accounts that are above a certain follower mark. If you hypothetically wanted to do this on 100 different accounts, number 1, hit me up because I have business for you. And 2, you could actually make a living doing this. All in all, this is one of many meme formats we have been developing over the past few years here at What It Is and associated projects. Actually, do let me know if you try this out. There are quite a few variations of this which can make accounts grow even quicker, and I'm just curious to see y'all's results. It is what it is.